According to China EV Post, Xiaomi has started construction on the second phase of its electric vehicle factory in Beijing. This began on July 26, just 24 hours after securing the land deal. The land, costing $116 million, is located next to Xiaomi's existing factory and will be used for smart car and parts manufacturing. Xiaomi aims to build a factory capable of producing 300,000 vehicles annually, split between two phases. The first phase began operations earlier this year. Xiaomi's first model, the SU7, launched on March 28 and deliveries started in April. The SU7 deliveries exceeded 10,000 units in July and are expected to continue at this pace. Xiaomi plans to hit its 100,000 unit delivery target by November. The second model, an all-electric SUV competing with the Tesla Model Y, is expected in the first half of 2025. The third model, an extended-range electric SUV, will be available in 2026. You are listening to Yuan News.